We're going to make Chinese style pork ribs. This is my dad's recipe, and in Chinese it's called 红烧排骨. This is as long as you want to have it. Sometimes if it's white, then you have them cut like this. Other spices we'll need is soy sauce, cooking wine, so we're just using some sort of a grain alcohol. And then the other is 5-spice. If you don't have that, you can use just the pepper and some salt and some little bit of sugar. And that's all we need. And you cut the ribs. In a large pot, boil a good amount of water. So the water is boiling, and then you put the ribs in. Bring it to a boil and let it boil for less than 1 minute to get rid of blood and some other things, and to kind of wash it clean. Pour a little bit of cooking wine in. Now you use the hot water to wash it. I think that's good. Pour a little bit of oil. When the oil is hot, put in ginger and the green onions and stir. Use about medium heat. Put in salt, cooking wine, five-spice, soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, it's about medium to high heat. And then you add water, add hot water. The point is to add the hot water until it doesn't cover the entire meat, but most of it, like this. And then you turn the heat up to bring it to a boil. You let it simmer for an hour, and then it'll be ready to eat. Okay, so now let's cover the lid, turn the heat to simmer for an hour. So this is ready. I'm gonna turn the heat off. You can tell it's ready because the liquid is almost all gone. So we're gonna take it out. This looks quite good.